We're gonna make slime.
Green slime, purple slime, pink slime.
This on Amazon, it was, I believe, $13 for all 3 of the glues and the magic liquid. And with each one of these is 1 batch of slime. And then instructions are pour 1 bottle of your choice of 4 to 6 ounces Elmer's glue into a container. And then all you need is 1/4 cup of magical liquid. And that's this. So I really like this because it's super easy, especially for a kid. You know, it's only 2 ingredients. You don't need to add like contact lens solution, which I have nothing against that, but I just felt like this was easier for me and my daughter. So yeah, I really love that Elmer's did that to make making slime easier. Which color of slime do you want to make today? Make purple slime? Okay, here we go. We got our 1/4 cup and our spoon to make. So here we go. You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, now we've added our 4th cup, and as you can see, like there's still a lot.
Mommy. A bubble.
I still found that it's kind of sticky still. I don't know if it's because my hand is sticky. I'm still going to continue to mix it up because it is super sticky. You can't see the glitter, not as much as I thought you would be able to. I might have to add a little bit more.
Fly. Mommy, baby, Bobby. This one. Hey guys, I'm making a slime. Hey guys. It's so sticky. This has. See it. Hasties. You hasties.
Good, baby.
What's your big slime? Bobby did. Hi.
Our slime in a sandwich bag. Saves money because we already have this stuff.